Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be doing a fill on these colored acrylic nails today. To start off this process, I will be using my e-file to remove the colored acrylic from her previous set. Once the acrylic has been filed all the way down, I'm going to use my cuticle bit to remove any dead skin from her nail plate. I will now be using a medium sanding band to smoothen out and blend the surface of her nails. Before I apply her acrylic, I'm going to apply primer. I will now be applying a very thin layer of Glacier Crystal Clear to her natural nail to prevent any staining. Here you'll see me using different shades of green to marble together. I'll be using a little bit of glitter and a little bit of milky white. Our milky white is called Rhythmic, and you can find it on ctones.com along with the rest of the colors you see me using today. Once the acrylic is completely dry, I'm going to be using my extra coarse sanding band to start the shaping process. The hand file that I'm using is a 100 grit hand file, and I'm going to be using it to complete her shaping. Her shaping is now finished, so I will be using my medium sanding band to smoothen out the surface of each nail. I will now be using my comb bit to seal and blend her cuticles and remove any excess product from her cuticle area. I will now finish each nail with a non-wipe gel top coat. Once the top coat is cured, I will be applying crystals. So here's the finished result of my mom's St. Patrick's Day nails. Unfortunately, St. Patrick's Day 2020 has been canceled due to COVID-19, so we're just going to call these coronavirus nails. So we love you. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram and ctones.com. God bless.